In this presentation, we're going to look at a certain line of argument for economic freedom. This line of argument is what we call consequentialist. More specifically, it's what we call a rule consequentialist argument. What does this mean? Rule consequentialist arguments ask the question, what would be the best general policy for everyone to follow for dealing with a particular kind of situation? Right? And when they say the best policy, they mean the one that produces the most overall good. Right? So this is in contrast to a rights-based defense of economic freedom. Okay? So some people will say, well, we should have economic freedom because people just have this inherent right to be in control of their own lives, including their property in certain ways. This is a different type of argument. This type of argument says, okay, let's look at what would happen if we allowed a high amount of economic freedom versus very little economic freedom. Then it says when we look at the consequences, it's clear that we ought to prefer economic freedom because it produces clearly better consequences. So that is our basic argument. Okay? The basic argument we're looking at says that we should have economic freedom because it produces better consequences than any relevant alternative.